which may reach to some other school members also. Right? They will show it. See, this school has come. See, there is a difference. And you will see that negative always shouts. Have you seen that? Then the last one is whose noise is heard more? One one's shoes. So in WhatsApp, whose noise is heard more? One whose mind is filled with negative anxiety. They are very stressed. They are not able to handle their anxiety. So we need to help them out. How we can help them? By spreading whatever good is happening in our school. Now see, when we are arranging this WhatsApp at this leadership program, right? So what we do generally, the parents have also come. So why now we have posted it in the WhatsApp group. So what happened? Although 3 parents came, but message went to so many people. So now this year, this team's responsibility is to spread whatever positive happening is. Because you see, you cannot stop the messages by shouting that don't get negative messages. That is one way, but that is not very much. Because if this group is done, can I tell you to take a group and how many students go out to sweep the floor? How many students had gone out? Very good. So, suppose that group are telling they carry the group and sweep the floor. Right? So, sweep the ground and the road, they do different actions, right? Different classes. So now, suppose I tell them, bring your group and I put this darkness in the school and remove the darkness to the room. And give a big notes to everyone, each one. So they can do that to me. Please, I can do this much. I'm really open, no? I will just carry it and sweep the darkness away. Parents can do it, no? And then, no? No? So what can you do with the darkness? Right. So what do you have to do? When there is darkness, we have to break. And when there is darkness, what we need to do when we are entering that like this? It's okay. There is an issue. Isn't it? Which is better? So don't get anxious to the darkness also. Right? So when a child falls down, child is falling, and so he is behaving. What are the different kinds of behavior? Who will show me one child is falling down? And what are the different kinds of anxiety behavior and the calmness behavior? And motivating behavior. 3 kinds of behavior are demonstrated through role play. Through role play. Who will do it? No, separate. Wow, you are following me. That's right. Loudly. They're falling outside. No, how you see that nobody is here, only the child is there. Very good. So this is one motivating. But I'm saying you have to show the anxiety is the behavior. Now there is something wrong. Can't see. Yes, okay. Thank you, Harsh. Take your seat. Yes. As well ignore. So this Chorona क्या these are the people who are actually motivating the teachers. Right? So they're in the WhatsApp group with the parents. I know that you are wonderful students, and if parents to deal with their anxiety because they also have a difficult life now, isn't it? And they're speaking all these things because they're not bad. They're speaking all these things because they love their children and they want everything to be very good. Right? So we need to prepare them comforters. Right? Yes.
And then the answer is never like, hurt sure that you have done some mistake. Now go, I know he always is like this.
He always behaves like this. Very obvious. Okay? And just keep observing. Very good. There is another.
They will just see what has happened and just leave. They won't even watch.
That is ignorant behavior. So there is another kind of behavior. What is it? You want to say?
There is an incident I like to tell. I had gone to Bombay. I was traveling in a bus. Then there was an accident took place. I did not see what happened because the Bombay they have dividers in between the road. So there was an old man. He must have slipped and fallen down and cemented road. So he hit his head, but it was too late. People were standing about 50-100 around him. I don't know who was called the police somebody. And the rest of them was just passing. And on the way I come, there was a doctor saying just about 500 meters back, but the doctor was not there.
So you see, ignorant behavior, isn't it? So ignorant, because of ignorant behavior, what happens? The negatives are more visible. Right? So we have to make the what visible? Make the positives so loud. Because negatives can only shout till the positives are quiet. Negatives are very powerful inside. They don't have power. Right? So once the positives start shouting, so what we have to do? Every day in our class, when any student is not allowing the teacher to teach, stand up and say, either you behave well. Okay? Group of 2-3 positive people. Stand up. Now we want this person to go to the class. We want this person to go to Vienna meeting. We can't spoil the atmosphere of the class because of one people. What will happen after that? Now, when they are teasing the teacher, what the positive people are doing? What they are doing? They are quiet. So, who is actually negative? Those people are negative. Right? Because we are encouraging the negative behavior. So, I understand from where you have to start. So, then when you start doing it, and you're successful, you will be like, now we did it. It was so difficult. And what happens? There will be some people who are ignorant and they will laugh. So when they are laughing, those negative, they feel that anger, evil. And they will keep on increasing it. So those who laugh, you have to raise your voice against them. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Yes. Ready? Yes. So, what will be your mission from today? We will prepare a team, right? And decide about one mission. And 2 of you will be working together, right? And you can create your own team. Just 2. Come on, stand. Okay, and with whom are you comfortable in this? Should classes? Okay, so we are having girls separate and boys separate, right? Not because of any conservative feeling, but because of problems of caring we don't want to encourage. So We will